Hello everyone, it's Liam from CarPlay Direct, and today I just want to show you how to, on the Mr12volt P2000 kit, how to do the echo cancellation, whether you have a kit for the OEM factory microphone or the aftermarket microphone. So on a BMW, Mercedes or Audi, obviously you use the controller to navigate the Mr12volt menu, and obviously on the Porsche and the Jag you use obviously the touch screen. Now on the Mr12volt, if you're within CarPlay, you press the Mr12volt icon, that'll take you back to the P2000 menu, which is the Mr12volt menu. Or on Android, you press exit or car, and that'll take you back to this same menu. And then you would scroll across. Obviously I'm going to use my controller, but if it's a Porsche or Jag, you would use the touchscreen. Press OK on settings, then go to system, which is, as you can see, down the left hand side here. Then go to factory mode, and inside here, as you can see, you have echo cancellation, and this will obviously run echo cancellation on the factory OEM mic if your car has one, or on the aftermarket microphone that you may have to install. So once you press into echo cancellation, it will basically play out a beep in the car's speakers. I generally turn up my speakers around 2/3 for the whole car to kind of hear it and reverberate, and then to do its test. So I'll just show you now what it does. So press echo cancellation, then go down to start. As you can see, there is a few instructions here that tell you what to do, and then we're going to press start. As you can see, my test passed at 97.5, which is very good. Anything over like 92, 93 is very good. And obviously once the car reboots, these settings will be saved. Or you can just press OK, go by the back arrow, go back into settings, then system, and then factory mode again, and you can click on reboot, and that will then save the settings to the car. But yes, that's the video all complete, and it shows you how to do the echo cancellation for the microphone on the Mr12volt kit. If you haven't any trouble, you want to know anything more, please do leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a like rating on the video, and please subscribe for more hints and tips.